Hello kids, welcome to yammukidstv. Learn some colors. First, happy face, smiley, cutie smileys. Okay. First, please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share. Okay, learn some colors. First, red color. Which color kids? Red color. Pink color. Which color? Pink color. Orange color. Which color? Orange. Blue color. Which color? Blue color. Yellow color. Which color? Yellow. Sky blue color. Which color kids? Sky blue. Then lavender color. Which color? Lavender. Okay kids, let's coloring the fairy. Fairy coloring with clouds. First, fairy wings, sky blue. Which color? Sky blue. Fairy wings. Which color kids? Sky blue. Sky blue color. Fairy wings. Which color? Sky blue. Fairy wings. Super coloring. Fairy wings. Sky blue. Super coloring. Super. Super coloring. Fairy wings. Sky blue. Then golden star. Then which color? Dress coloring. Fairy dress. Which color? Orange. Fairy dress. Orange color. Which color kids? Orange. Super coloring. Then green. Orange and green mixing. Then fairy hair. Pink color. Which color? Pink color. Fairy hair coloring. Pink color. Which color? Pink color. Super coloring. Then clouds coloring. Clouds, sky blue color. Pencil coloring. Sky blue color. Pencil coloring. Clouds. Clouds coloring. Super super coloring. Clouds, sky blue color. Which color? Sky blue. Super coloring. Sky blue clouds. Finish the color. Then finally skin colors. Pari, skin coloring, skin color, oil pedestal, pari, skin color, super coloring, pari, skin coloring, pari, skin color, super skin color, skin coloring, super coloring, skin color, super. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share. Bye.